Alright, YouTube, this is Carson's XDM45 here. Another ammo test on this afternoon. And I've got a bullet here. I'm not quite sure whose makes it. It's an aluminum bullet. A friend of mine gave me. It's a hollow point. It's supposed to be, I think he said 117 grain. And it's got the serrations on the outside. And so we're going to shoot this thing and just use the water jug test. Again, if you look out there, same as what we've done with the others. Got 5 jugs of water. We're going to be shooting through the denim from about 10 feet away, and we'll see what this bullet does. So let's shoot this thing. 10 feet away. All right. Went through the first one okay. Let's see what we got here. Well, I don't know what in the world to make out of that. I have no idea. Boy, that's real light. Aluminum. I don't know if he's one of these rounds that's supposed to disintegrate on contact. I don't know. I don't feel any other pieces of the bullet. Of course, I ain't going to find any there. Well, that was disappointing. Just broke all the pieces. You can see parts of the denim there. It went through. Just broke all the pieces. I wouldn't want that for my self-defense round. Thanks for watching.